Hi there, students. Glum, an adjective. Glumly, the adverb. Glum means depressed, melancholy, down, dispirited, not very talkative, and a bit antisocial. So he had a glum expression on his face. He had a glum look on his face. Come on, don't look so glum. Cheer up. We also can use glum to mean dark and depressing. So the weather looks very glum today. The future looks glum. It doesn't look very rosy. This is a rather glum grey area of the city. Okay, and as an adverb, he looked at me glumly and said, I failed my exam. So, glum, depressed. Okay, this word I think comes from glumen, Old English, to become dark, and it's related to the word gloomy. Gloomy says dark and poorly illuminated, and also depressed. So you could use glum and gloomy together. It's a glum and gloomy day. Yeah? The future looks glum and gloomy. Okay? So it's quite descriptive, this word. What about formality? I think glum, it's probably neutral formality. Although it's one of these flexible ones. You could use glum in a conversation in the pub, and I think you could also use it in a very formal document. So I think it's nice and flexible like that. Yeah? So if somebody looks glum, they look sad, they're depressed and melancholy because maybe things aren't going right, or they've had a disappointment and they're feeling a bit dispirited. So the opposite of glum is happy and upbeat. Yeah? So come on, don't be so glum. Things are going to get better. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Glum.